Hey scholars, happy Monday. I'm going to be going over some of the problems in the district packet just so that you guys can have a lesson to go along with your math work for the day. So let's take a look at page 1. It says Ella plotted points to represent the numbers of purchases she knits for a total of 6 hours. The x-axis represents the number of hours and the y-axis should represent the number of purses. So if you look, number of hours is labeled, number of purses is labeled. Look at the graph. What generalization can you make about Ella's knitting? So the first thing I'm going to do is look at the points. And I notice that the points continue to go up. So as my number of hours gets bigger, my number of purses also gets bigger. So the generalization I can make is that the more hours she spends on knitting, the more purses she makes. So when you look down here for the graph that you're going to complete today, you're going to plot these lines, okay? Use the pattern to finish Kate's table, graph the ordered pairs. So Kate makes necklaces that are different lengths. She makes a table to compare the number of beads and the necklace length. So number of beads is 4, the necklace length is 8. So the ordered pair is 4, 8. So you're gonna graph that here. Remember, number of beads, that's our X, okay? Length is our Y, so 4, 8 would go there. Now, you have some missing pieces here, but you need to notice the pattern. So I know, how do I go from 4 to 8? How do I go from 13 to 26? What pattern do you notice? Well, if you look here, there's a 14 in the Y ordered pair. I know the length is Y, so if I put a 14 here, does that help me with my pattern? Okay, so today you're gonna do pages 1, 2, and 3. And it talks a lot about the types of patterns we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and do number 1 with you. So if I have 7 and my ordered pair is 14, I would put 14 here and I would graph 7, 14. Now I notice 4 times 2 is 8, 7 times 2 is 14, 13 times 2 is 26. So what times 2 equals 20? I know that's 10. So if I put a 10 in the x-axis, I go up to 20 and mark that. That would be 10, 20, and it would go right here. I'm starting to notice a pattern as well that I noticed up here, that the number of beads, the higher the number of beads, the higher the length. And then finally we would graph 13, 26. So this question was twofold. You needed to find the pattern first, then you needed to graph your ordered pairs. So you're going to be doing the same thing on pages 2 and pages 3. So hopefully that helps you out and you have a fantastic Monday. Bye.